Welcome to my blog, Project Escape. Hi, Brad. Well, I got my filter, and I'm to find out it's a paper filter or a fabric filter, depending on which one you wanted to get. Come to find out what I wound up getting a 9. The book called for OME as a 910S. Well, 910S is your steel cartridge oil filter, not for the hybrid. Well, you're not going to find the, depending on what brand you get, because I usually get the actual Motorcraft for the Fords. Well, come to find out, you're going to have to buy an aftermarket filter if you go to Walmart. And in this case, I got the ultra synthetic filter because I'm going to use a full synthetic blend oil, which I believe I didn't. So with the 520, I mean, that stuff is like water. It just flows right on through that. So I went with a more expensive. You can get the T. I think the other one's a TG 9641, and it's $9. This one's $11, and manufacturer recommends that you change your oil every 11,000 miles. So much for the 3,000 that I normally change it at. But we're gonna get this done, and you technically need one of the octagon filter wrenches for this, but it is 8 up. I'm gonna try a couple that I got, but I've also got a one that is self-adjusting. Well, this one here I actually took off with a pair of filter pliers. That worked okay. There we go. Like I said, this one here squeezes, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to grab it. But as you can see, it's definitely been hit a couple of times. I think they use the I think they've used the filter pliers on it. Now, my gloves on. Sorry to start using the nitrate gloves. Get my hand. I'm just gonna pull that thing off. There you go. Just pops out. There's your casing. Okay, now what I did notice, there is a drain plug in the middle here, but I don't know what exactly goes in there because it's kind of wound it out. But find what I'm looking for here, but I don't know if it's been. No. And being aluminum, it has been stripped out a little bit, but you really don't need. I don't even have a. Unplug. It's gonna. That's been stripped out on me. It's totally up to you if you want to use it. All you gotta do is when you normally just undo it. No different than you're not gonna make any more of a mess than you do with a standard cartridge. It looks like I think that's the right Allen, and it is a what size it is. But that's totally up to you if you want to take that out. The kit comes with an O-ring for that, as I see. So you can do that. You can do that if you like. So, but I'm not going to worry about it. The only thing I'm going to change is the O-ring that I don't. Oh yeah, there it is, black O-ring right there. And then I'm going to change that O-ring. There's the filter. That was the old. That was the old one. I don't know who the brand was. Protec. Maybe that's what I saw was Protec. I thought it was Supertech. Okay, so that's Protec. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that. It doesn't matter. Made in the Ultra X. Okay, so it doesn't matter top or bottom. Got the same setup. You stick it in there. Push down. Okay, we're good there. So leave that off for a moment. I want to get that old. Like I said, it comes with O-ring kit, larger O-ring, and then a smaller O-ring if you want to take that drain plug out. We got to get that off of there first. Kind of crap here. Alright, let's get that old one off of here. Now this Escape is an 06 hybrid. It's got 250,000 miles on it.